Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, my lovely student. So this is part 7, chapter 2, matrices. So if this is the first time you view this video, please check out first part 1 until part 6. So our learning standard for this video, use the metric method to solve simultaneous linear equation. So how to use metric method to solve simultaneous linear equation? So simultaneous linear equation can be solved using the metric method as shown in the steps below. Okay, actually, to solve simultaneous, you have done solve simultaneous linear equation in Form 2, if I'm not mistaken. In Form 2, you learn to solve this simultaneous linear equation by using 3 methods, which is substitution method, elimination method, and also graph method. So for this video, we are going to solve simultaneous linear equation by using metric method. So what is the step? So this is the simultaneous linear equation in the form of ax plus by equals to p and cx plus dy equals to q. So metric form ax equals to b. So this is the value of the coefficient of x and y here, and then you just put the unknown here, x and y, and the answer here, q, where a, b, c, d, e, and q are constant, while x and y are unknowns. So ax equals to b. The inverse metric of A, and with A with multiply with metric x is equals to the inverse metric of A multiplied with metric B. So inverse of A, when you multiply with metric A, you will get identity metric. So Ix is equals to inverse metric of A multiplied with A. So remember when we multiply any metric with I, we will get the metric itself back. So x is equals to inverse of A multiplied with metric B. So in order to calculate the unknown, which is x and y, we calculate the inverse metric of A and multiply with B. So if you not clear yet, don't worry. So I will show you in the example. So have a look at example 27. Write the simultaneous linear equation below in the form of metric. Remember just now, ax plus by equals to b. So this is the value of a, b, and p. Okay, so for the second equation, cx plus dy equals to q. So 5 here is c, negative 6, don't forget the negative sign, this is d, and 7 is q. Okay, so you just put in metric form. So 3, 4, A, B, C, D. So 5, negative 6. And the second metric, which is metric x. So xy, this is the unknown, equals to PQ. Okay, remember just now? A, B, C, D, xy, the unknown. So this is actually A, this is x, and this is B. So A times X is equals to B. Alright. So when we multiply both sides with inverse A, okay, have a look at this. When we multiply, this is the original equation just now, AX equals to B, and we multiply both sides with inverse of A. So in the left hand side, inverse of A times A will get identity matrix. So this is remain as like this. So identity matrix is actually when any metric when we multiply with I with identity matrix, we will get the matrix back. So the inverse of A multiplied with B and then multiplied with identity matrix, we will get the same matrix. So to calculate the value of X, what is X? X just now is the unknown. Here, this is X. So calculate the X is actually the inverse of A multiplied with B. So inverse of this multiplied with PQ. So this is the solution. Okay, next. So we are already substitute all the value of A, B, C, D in the matrix X and the value of PQ here. So the simultaneous linear equation can be written as this. Okay, same as just now. So now next, solve the simultaneous linear equation below using the matrix method. So first, substitute the value of A, B, C, and D into the first matrix. And then this is, we call it as matrix A. This is X equals to, this is B. The B is the value of P and Q just now. This one is P, Q. This is the value of A, B, C, D. Okay. So write the simultaneous linear equation in the form of matrix. Next, calculate the value of X and Y. So we just calculate the inverse matrix of A. Inverse matrix of A times with matrix B. So this is actually the inverse matrix of A. Okay. So remember how to calculate atau how to determine the inverse matrix of A. We use this formula 1 over AD minus BC and this matrix. Remember we change the position. Okay, let me use the colors. Okay. So remember to change the position of A and D. So this is like this. So we change the position of A and D, and don't forget to put negative sign in front of element B and C. So come 2 and negative 3. So first, okay, for solve this, you can use any method. What I mean is, you can first calculate the inverse matrix first, then only you multiply with 1 over 4, or you can calculate or you can multiply these two matrix first, then only multiply with 1 over AD minus BC. So in this example, it's actually this matrix multiplied with B, and then next multiplied with 1 over 2. So this is the answer. When you multiply 1 over 2 times 4, you will get 2. 1 over 2 times 1, you will get 1 over 2. So hence, the value of x equals to 2 and the value of y equals to 1 over 2. So this is the final answer. Because the question asks you to solve the simultaneous linear equation, that means final answer, the question wants you to identify what is the value or calculate what is the value of x and y. So you have to mention or state the value of x and y in the final answer. So this is actually the value of x and y. So this is your homework, self-practice 2.g. Okay, that's all. This is the question. Altogether 3 questions. So that's all for this video. Thank you and see you in the next video.